In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to propose another time for an event in Google Calendar, specifically for those using the Google Workspace business platform. Whether a last-minute meeting conflicts with something else on your schedule or you simply can't make the initial time, this feature is especially helpful. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and go to google.com/calendar. Ensure that you're logged into the correct account and have the necessary permissions and access to events within your Google Workspace, as this functionality might differ based on settings configured by your organization. Once in Google Calendar, find the event you've been invited to join. The calendar should display all upcoming events you have been invited to or have scheduled yourself. Scan through your list of events or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific event you want to propose a new time for. After finding the event, click on it to open the event details pop-up. This pop-up contains various options and details about the event like the time, date, and participants. Look under the RSVP options where you'll find an option labeled Propose a New Time. This is your go-to feature when your availability doesn't align with the scheduled event time. Go ahead and click on Propose a New Time. This action will prompt a new window or pop-up where you can suggest a different date and time for the event. You'll typically see a calendar view here, so you can easily choose a time that fits your availability. It's worth revisiting your own schedule, ensuring that your proposed time works seamlessly without conflicts. While you're there, don't forget the importance of communication. There is an optional message box available where you can explain to the organizer why you're suggesting a change. Adding a personal note can make your proposal clearer and offer context, increasing the likelihood of smoother coordination. Once you've selected the new date and time that works for you and, if desired, added a note to the organizer, simply click on Send Proposal. Your proposed time will be sent to the organizer and they'll receive a notification of your suggestion. They have the option to review your proposed time and either accept it or suggest an alternative. That's all there is to it. You're done. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your calendar and ensured better alignment with your responsibilities and commitments. Google Calendar offers powerful features like these to make collaboration and scheduling easier and more flexible. Hopefully, this guide has empowered you to manage your time more efficiently and keep communication smooth with colleagues and organizers within your workplace.